Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you can create content for Google Business using Jasper AI, the generative AI tool. And it's pretty cool. It just makes life a whole lot easier. If you don't have Jasper AI for your marketing, it's really helpful. We will have a link in the comment section where you can subscribe to Jasper and start using it. But one of the great things about Jasper is you can create content for different platforms, and Google is a huge one. If you do marketing, you understand how important Google is and how important Google Business Profile is, which used to be Google My Business. And as you can see here, what I'm going to show you then now is how you can use Jasper AI to create content for Google My Business, whether it's a new post, which you can see down here, or an event or an offer post. You can do all those here in Jasper. And also you can also create a Google Ads headline if you do want to create an ad, but we will focus on the posts over here. Now, the first thing you want to do obviously is log into your Jasper. Again, there will be a link for you to be able to do that in the comment section. And once you do that, mostly what you will see is all templates. You see all templates here. As you can see, it's all templates. So you'll be able to see everything that they have, all the wonderful tools that they have that you could use. But just to cut straight to the chase, we go straight to Google. As you can see here, you could just pick Google on top here. How is this very helpful? You don't have to sort and search through all this when you could just pick Google here. How is it also helpful? Well, you can easily pass this to somebody to help you manage and create content, right? Okay, so let's go right into creating content. So you typically know that for Google My Business, it asks for a weekly post on what's new about your business. So that's the first thing we're going to do. And you know your Google My Business posts show up in a very important place, like here. I will show you real quick. So let's go over here, BizCrown Media, and we will hit search. And it's going to pop up very soon here. All right. And your Google My Business posts show up here, as you can see to the bottom. So they're very important. They are very important. They do help. So these are the updates. You see, add an update, what's new, and that's what we are creating here. When we go back, we're going back to the Google My Business, what's new post. Okay. So let's go over here and then tell us about your business update. So you see, it also gives you something you could follow up on over here. It says we now offer garbage disposal repairs. We're a plumbing company, serve in Austin, Texas. So it's just the example that you could pretty much put there. So in our instance, we're going to say we are offering social media posts for businesses who do not have the time to be able to do their weekly posts. And then let's just go to BizCrown Media over here. Okay, because that's our company over there. And now let's go to the tone. We want it to be, of course, because it's a business, we want it to be one of these. I like to pick captivating, professional, exciting. And because it's a sales post, sort of, right? So we could actually add persuasive here. Oh, there it is. Captivating, professional, exciting, persuasive. All right. So Google My Business, what's new post? So we have our company name, we have the tone of voice, and we have our inputs, 3 of them, and then we could generate the content, and we will pick the best 3 out of it. So we click generate content here. And let's wait. Okay, so to the right here, we have it, 3, which we can pick from. Introducing BizCrown Media, which is the first one. Sorry, excuse me. Introducing BizCrown Media, the social media experts. Let us help you take your business to the next level with our captivating and professional weekly posts. We know that small businesses don't always have the time or resources available to keep up with their social media presence, so we're here to help. Our team of experts can create exciting and persuasive content to get your name out there and bring in new customers. Get started now and let us show you the power of social media. You see that now. So instead of me thinking about all this, I have just put in the values that I want, what we really want to sell or what we want to put out there this week. And the AI tool just automatically gives us something wonderful, as you can see to the right here in Jasper AI. So as you can see, the two other ones look pretty cool too. Are you a business looking to captivate, engage, and collaborate with your audience? BizCrown Media can help. We are now offering social media posts that will no doubt leave a lasting impression on your followers. With our professional and persuasive writing, we can create exciting posts that'll get results. See, persuasive. Don't have the time or resources to maintain your accounts? Let us take care of it for you. Free up your time and watch the engagement roll. And there's no way I could have come up with this myself. That's why these tools just really, really help. And then the last one, calling all business owners. We know how time consuming it can be to create and post content online, especially when you're handling other tasks. That's why BizCrown Media is here to help. Let us take care of creating captivating posts that'll engage your audience and help promote your business in the best way. Get ready to see your social media presence grow with professional, exciting, and persuasive posts tailored specifically for you. Get started now. So these are three wonderful ones. In the comment section, out of all these three, which one would you prefer, or which one do you prefer out of all those three? You can let me know in the comment section too. I wouldn't even know which one to post right now. They all look kind of good, but if you could let me know which one you would and why you would. But that's how you could do that in Google My Business. In Jasper AI. Instead of just thinking about this all yourself or going to, let's say, ChatGPT and saying, create a post for me for my Google My Business. You see what I mean? Like this just cuts it all down. Now, if we go to an offer post, let's see. So let's go to an offer. Tell us about your offer. We are doing first month free on social media posts for the next for the end of year sale. All right. We'll just leave it at that. And again, we go to BizCrown Media. And it's an offer post, so we will stick to let's do witty. Let's do witty, casual, professional. And again, our favorite one, persuasive, because we want to be persuasive. This is a marketing tool. That's the whole job of marketing, is to persuade. All right, persuasive. We're going to do 3 outputs again to see which one actually works the best. And I'm going to generate the content that we are going to see on the right here again. Offer title, boost your end of year sale with a free month of social media posts. Offer details, ready to end the year with a bang. Don't miss out the opportunity to boost your sales with our social media expertise. At BizCrown Media, we are here to help you crush your end of year goals and make your brand shine. For a limited time, we're offering your first month of social media posts completely free. Our team of witty, casual, and professional social media experts will create persuasive, engaging content that will drive more traffic to your business. Don't wait. Take advantage of this offer now and watch your sales soar. Contact us to get started. So again, to the right here, we have 3, as you can see, 3 offers that we have that we can use. So this is pretty awesome. Now we have, based on this, as you can see, I'm going to go back over here. We have created our business post, Google My Business offer. And this is just using Jasper just to make life a whole lot easier. There are other ones over here, your event posts, your headlines and all that. And we'll do other videos too on other Jasper AI tools that are helpful. But at least wanted to show you these ones here, which you could use to create a new post and also an offer post. Now, if this was helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. Till next time, take care.